revolutionary greetings in a Kirby traditional way, Kardon. I, on behalf of the Kirby Students Association, would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the media persons for turning up our requests. Today, dated 7/11/2023, we, representing the Kirby Students Association, organized this press meet to express a serious concern over the recent show cause notice served against as many as 300 third and fourth grade employees under Environment and Forest Department by the KSA authority. The show cause notice white letter number KAAC/ENF/ESST 238/2023-24/9 dated 7/10/2023 served to those above mentioned employees clearly states that their appointment were illegal as per records under Environment and Forest Department of KSA, as it doesn't fulfill the criteria of appointment norms. So it is termed as illegal appointment or violation of Section 7 of AFRBM Act 2005. This is the notice served by the Carbon Autonomous Council against those employees that their appointments were totally illegal as per records of the KSA authorities. So now the question is that, to express us concern over it, the question is that had it been illegal appointment, how could they perform their duty for years? Because their appointment was done many years back. So how could they continue to perform their duty for years? That's the questions that arises from us, number one. The next question we would like to ask, how could the government impose them for duty such as eviction drive that was done by the Caribbean Autonomous Council, especially in the Lankaijan area or some other parts where the eviction drive was done, and they were imposed to perform their duty during that period also. Again, such duties like COVID-19 duties, they perform excellently well during the COVID-19 and they were imposed by the Caribbean Autonomous Council. These are the duties. And again, they were imposed to do the duties of BLO. They were imposed to do the duty of NRC, etc., etc. So those were the duties imposed on them by the KSA authority. And now the council claims that their appointments were illegal. So these were the questions we put forward to the Caribbean Autonomous Council. How could they become illegal? After sending different duties in the government, and they still say that their appointments were illegal. How could it be? These were the questions. From this angle, we could say it is very crystal clear that their appointment is not illegal, because the government itself hired them for different works. Not only this, there are a lot of things. If there are lots of duties they were imposed, if we highlight it, it will take more time. But what those important facts we have highlighted here. But not only that, there are many more to be highlighted. So it's very crystal clear that actually those who were appointed, the 300 employees, were actually legal, so to say, because the government they already hired for different duties. So we would like to say that this is not illegal, but this is illegal. This is a legal one, so to say, as per the duty performed by them. Again, another dismaying fact is that they have loans in different types of loans. They have, most of the employees have PTL loans. If by any chance loses their job, they will have to suffer a lot. The suffering is very certain to them. That's why we, the Kirby Students Association, would like to appeal the Caribbean Autonomous Council to roll back their decision and withdraw the show cause notice and pass out EC to provide them fresh approval. Give them fresh approval so that instead of making another examinations or conducting more exams, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. Because from their duty, we could easily, clearly see that they are legal. So the duty of the Caribbean Autonomous Council is to sit an EC immediately and pass out the resolution in the EC and give them fresh. So to say to those candidates. So we appeal the KSA Caribbean Autonomous Council led by CM Tuliram Rohan, and we anticipate that the team Caribbean led by Dr. Tuliram Rohan will not go against the favor of our people. So this is the request that we would like to make to the Caribbean Autonomous Council, and if not, we shall be bound to take a strong democratic movement against the Caribbean Autonomous Council authority. That's all. Any questions you can put forward. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Pachet pan atumhan okay media deal potumhan perbilochari song hinpen kati song kardom pajul kardom. Penili na tumpan na chu fateng pen na tum dakiwan ko ni tum perbilochari song tum bastamen tumpan ningat tongpen kacholo pilo. Sipini jasimet pet labangso media press meet lam pachini ne pra nili pachini gang tungdo nilong do unili arnat rajenti so lang West Caribbean long district committee along finance in charge do unili arvin adbanke virsim kro lang banke assistant secretary West Caribbean district committee when sir long ki hanse alang li banke kolonga branch long secretary na sepini na to phala ke phanan ko alang hi banke lahelo jasimet pet kidamtang Irunia Fran, Purchudut isi, mate controversial salam do je, bang pharo ke thong, chokamar kumpan forest department along chokamar kumpan, environment and forest department, also department along bang pharo ke thong matumpa, latung ke aronre kan si sakuri ke, mate job ke claim, laso putha kosi Caribbean Autonomous Council kan si so cause notice piliham, je latung nikrip ni kya bang bang nikrip form bang so latung yang si clarification pipi utan latung sakuri ke itu ke as per department proceeding ating kena tu plan ko ko sa kithet ba ki jong kon do lasi ni tu men ki pu dun kan tung ke la hido lada so cause notice a letter ke peklang notice a number ke la hido na tu bani lipat ni kan tu KAC ENF ESST 238 2023 24/9 dated 7/10/2023 ani sia sithi bang khindo sokos lasi hala daki pupon bang do je nani tum han ke illegal lo atheda government a norms masi pleng pin aposi nani tum asakuria bang ke a job bang ke illegal lasi la bang ke violation of useda ke tok kondo mane section 7 AFRBM Act 2005 teng pen nani tum ke illegal mane da interview kon ke ta ho pa pipi ne dolo lada tasong sila tuhan ke pa bon kon sita neli pu ndum ka juga tu kon ke nang itum la illegal pu ki pulang the bang ke kupusong si illegal pu na tum pu ko athi bang ke na tu lang tha alang itum phan to akam chu toy kam ka chu toy ko na lo NRC ho to sumsong sta mela tum phan chu toy lo la pusong thak thak si hala election a duty long sita mela tum phan chu toy lo BLO long stame la tum chutoy lo ba eviction drive long stame lang kajan long pini long stame la tum han chutoy ko so do pila da ke mention erote ding pila ta la major ni tu isi example bang se pon chalo se la ha sai chutoy de la phi ko son si la tum han illegal pu pun ko ako isi putho ba ka tu me me ma la tum service book ta chokalo la tum NPS ta chokalo mai no bahini mani chok chen dalam ki om tu mi chok kan service book chok kan lo NPS chok kan lo pen hala pilo ha ta tum chok kan la ha chok era phi ha government pen chok tha ya document chok tha phi norm se ko illegal ko ba ko son se dohan ki pu Aben aku dak pilih si bangnya tungkan tunggal ni tu pun tu lagi illegal dari itu akhir hai chok era pingsan tu illegal hala suka silam na tunggal yang asakuri ki pita lagi non het kali haninkan potro lagi klaim tang tungta dulu aja jerding open lagi klaim tungta dulu hala tu bangke kuson si non illegal ku ana ningkan bi klaim dia because illegal potong tu la sila bangke nil tu komanya favor ki duhi polang kali sitame government lo malang tungta klaim ve ko akam chutobe finono illegal tu bangke la bangke chok che delu mak sing tu lasi dah kalau tum bangke na tum ke illegal kono nama verification chipini suppose notice ba reply ni tu ili tu ye kan tum maga nahi na itu ile tum ke damta news lo sami ni thik lo itu si am ke hai tu ram hala ni tu badar pulo exam ke tok dun de to exam ke tok dun de ke chok chik tok dun ve ni lapen ke tok dun de na tum ke pass lo award ba ni tum bang tu de so sentence ban mane exam ke na tum la tum ke tok lo te ke pass lo mane kutti phansi ki min na mahala ba ni tum ke bang tu de suppose arjun ko exam ke nali tok lo te pass rek ji puke lagi pune people of pune ke nali lake ang to na masi pass er ko pune athe a exam ko mane se absent er te son se tok te pin men pass no ke da ke long ta tum mane dang tum exam tok te pass ko si tu age non ke exam ke tok dun sita by chance si ko mane ko paila no answer scripting ko de pulote by chance si mane exam ko paila no malang ni bang ke exam ta tok dun de pulote form fill up jate ta la si tok la exam bang ke na dun pass ko dak tok no ko si la so te ko ta te non an kali abc illegal gala pass to dedi ku bang si illegal tu la lage hote nang lage purkha pati ya kam se ve kusolo purkha pati nang lage na liso si pass ko ta te lage a legal dak si legal bu pune lu la so pot si ni tu ku ya bang ke exam da pati ya kapre ka kimi fresh pati no sitala ki pitang tum han bang ke na tu pilok le ni bang ke council of isi lo meeting dora chipe pass dano lage ki pitang net kenon ke nang tum ge lage kona din claim tang get ko tang te na tum so isi chipe pass tum fresh na tum mane program pide no hala bang sini tum ge achuning ridun kang tu a the bang ke pinida ka kama thali technical alam dupi lahai tum ba bang tajar le puna sakuri long lo pula nikan khot rok nikan ke ke tum do sakuri do tang lo pute isi ache akha do posi bang ke komani bang ke home loan ke endo PTL loan do komane ba car loan kapre ka loan do pi ke na tum do pi la tu latu bang sa sakuri by chance menong senon long de podang ke latu kodam lo hai non jitun pola ka chi thok phang mamsi ka chingna so lo laga chi thok ro sila chi ko tai lo lasi lahai tum phanda a career lam ta matha nai a career lam ta do a posi lahai tum nama tha koni council men kan hon poni laben council tum ke kar benglong ke dwara tumhane kan hon nai tum lo nang tum nyo senon illegal pote hala na tum ki cheng musi chok chi delo posi na tum legal ko sama hala ma tum claim na ko si hala so legal claim ni bang ke exam ke tok lo te chok lo pass ko ku bang le lage ke pass tang der lo kulen tum matha na process ma le claim na ko la so te musi tum sakuri bang ke pa che rei nai musi tum me chuni ba la peni tum ta ni thedo kar benglong tum council CM tuliram ma ke hai samet kar bi ara against ke damdi kuni tum ta kama